Dave Frank 23 and 2126.
Engine 24, respond with police for a person down, 4401 Glenway Avenue between McKean and Rutledge. Call reporting a person laying on the steps, fire round A2. Engine 24, respond with police for a person down, 4401 Glenway Avenue, cross streets McKean and Rutledge. This is going to be a person lying on the steps of the building, fire round A2. Engine 8, Truck 31, District 4, be advised. Another call from the alarm company. Homeowners requesting cancellation.
8 to handle, we'll investigate.
Engine 8 to handle.